Hello guys, how are you doing today? I'm going to show you today how to renew your driving license in Kuwait with online procedure. Let's go. Now we have to open Google Chrome here, and we need to type as a web address www.moi.gov.kw. Also you can follow like me here. Once the web page is open, you can see the web page right now. So we will go to e-service, and there is many services are there, so we will press the e-service button. So there is also general department of information, traffic, national and passport, resident renewal. There is many options, and we will go to general department of traffic. Okay, now we are in the traffic department page, which is we can renew our license, driving license e-service, the first step. So now we have to create our account in traffic department. So for this we need to create an account. Let's go. Here you can see to register, please ensure that following data are available. So we need to go as other nationalities because we are not from Kuwait. So for the Kuwaiti only they need passport. For us little more informations they're asking, so username, email, password, confirmation, telephone numbers. Also you have to select your nationality here, also your reference number. Once you select your nationality here, they will ask you your reference number also in your passport, 9 digits number, which is your residence permit. So you have to provide also that number once you select your nationality here. So I'm filling now my form here. Now I'm going to select my nationality here. Once you select here your nationality, they will show you another option, question here as a reference number. So you need to get your passport, which is residence permit. There is one reference number, they call it reference number. You need to give that number here as a reference number. It's a 9 digits. So I'm still selecting my country here because too many countries. Okay, I got it now. So they're asking me now reference number and expiry date of residence. I have to give my civil ID expiry date here, and from the passport reference number. So we have to give here one tick mark, I accept the terms and condition. They will show you some terms and condition here, so you need to agree for this, and you have to press OK button end of the agreement. Okay, and your registration is completely completed successfully. So now you can log in to renew your license. Let's log in now. Now you go to username and password from traffic department. Go ahead. Now here, request to renew a license. There is many options, but you have to go request a renewal license. Now they will show you your whole details, whatever available, what you call motorcycle. My license is motorcycle. Here I will renew my motorcycle license only because it's only near expiry. So for now I will same thing. Even you have driving license, also same thing. Now you can change also this photo by pressing that method here, and now you have to collect those details. You have to provide your civil ID copy and personal signature. Also you can do the same time online personal signature. So I'm going to upload my civil ID copy, which is PDF file, and I'm going to write my signature here without uploading any file right away. It will take little time because it's little difficult with the pad. Okay, I'm done with my signature now. Okay, I'm ready to go now. Now we have to confirm that information provided here is accurate and correct. So I take it and submit request. So here you need to keep this reference number. So in this when you are going to receive your driving license, you need to have this reference number on that day, and they will charge you in your candidate now around 5 KD for renewing online. You have to provide your payment details. You have to provide here your mobile number. There are some few informations. So I'm going to pay now my payments through candidate service. So I'm done now payment. After my payment they will send me like this payment receipts. So I'm success with the renewing my driving license, and you can see here this is which is the places you can receive your after once they open the government the license. You can renew the license, you can receive from these places only: Alasma Traffic Department, Court Mall, Avenues Mall, Marina Mall. So